So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. You guys are like so amazing and I appreciate every single one of you. If you're new to the channel, welcome. My name's Simran and I like to make videos on things that inspire me, or I think perhaps someone out there may be searching for or would help someone. So it can vary from travel to reviews to unboxings, and I'm always open for ideas as well. So if you have any suggestions, always please let me know. So let's get into today's video. So as you probably read for the title, I will be sharing a very special unboxing with you guys. But before I do start, I just need to say thank you to everyone who has remained subscribed with me through this journey. If you are new, if you do enjoy the video, could you please perhaps consider subscribing at the end, because that would mean like the world to me. So yeah, let's not waste any time any further. Let's get into the video. So here they are, guys. They're not new, but I have had them for a while, so I thought I needed to share them with you guys. And it's my new shoe purchase. So there's a little bit of a backstory about these. So number one, they're my new Valentino Garavani sandals. The reason why I've gone with these sandals is because there's a backstory. So I initially purchased the Gucci sandals, which I will insert a picture in somewhere somehow. And so I initially did purchase the Gucci sandals and I wasn't really like wowed with them, but they're nice, but I wasn't wowed. And then when I started thinking about longevity, because when I purchase I do think about longevity and sustainability and use and wear and how careful I have to be with things. So I wasn't 100% sold on the Gucci sandals. So then I thought about these, had come across these, and I thought about these, and I thought I need to get them maybe. So before I carry on with the story, let's open the box, right? So the shoes arrived in the beautiful Valentino Garavani box. The price, the style. Inside the box, you get your dust bag, you get like your cards, you get additional studs as well, which is amazing. Yeah, so you get additional studs just in case. And you also get the care card, which is always important, I think, to have, because it tells you how to take care of them. So yeah, you've got your Valentino care card. Let's open the babies up. So here they are. Very difficult to do this. And obviously I've tried them on. And here they are. So I went with the Valentino Rockstuds. These are actually jelly sandals. So you've got the beautiful Rockstuds. You've got the Valentino that's actually not stuck on, but it's engraved in the sandal itself. You've got the back. I have worn them once. On the back, engraved. But it's just the Rockstuds. I mean, I just think they're it's a beautiful color, number one. And number two, the Rockstuds are just, look at the way they shine in the light. These are made in Italy as well. Look at the second pair. But I just thought, you can't really go wrong. With these sandals, and I just don't think you can go wrong. I mean, it's Valentino Garavani. You just can't go wrong, can you? It's Valentino Garavani. So yeah, that was my mini little unboxing. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask in the comment box. I would love to get back to you. Because I've loved these so much, I have actually got another pair, which I will be sharing with you, and I have some exciting jewelry to share with you guys for in my next video. So make sure you do stay tuned, because that video will be coming up very soon as well, and I'm super excited to share some jewelry with you and the other pair of shoes that I got. So yeah, that was my mini unboxing. Thank you so much for watching. If you have subscribed, like I said, thank you. If you haven't, could you please perhaps consider subscribing? It would mean the world. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below, and I will get back to you as soon as I get the message. Until next time, take care and see you soon. Bye. Thank you for watching. Bye.